Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. Today we are going to solve this question which says MOET includes administration of dash hormones to the cow. Option A progesterone, option B FSH, option C growth, option D thyroid. So let us understand the question which says MOET includes administration of dash hormones to the cow. So which hormone among these will be administered during MOET? Okay. So what do you mean by MOET? MOET is nothing but multiple ovulation and embryo transfer. You can just remove that, skip that and if you want embryo transfer because MO, M for multiple, O for ovulation, E for embryo transfer. Okay. So multiple ovulation and embryo transfer. This is a technique which is utilized during artificial breeding. So what is artificial breeding? Artificial breeding where the physical mating of male and female cattle is not allowed. Instead, the male gamete will be transferred from the male into the uterus of the female. But before the insemination, okay, the females are allowed to undergo superovulation. So there is superovulation in females. And how is that done? That is done by administering the hormone which is called as FSH, or you can say follicle stimulating hormone. Okay, what will it do? It will stimulate the formation of the various follicles, primary, secondary, tertiary, all that. And further, there will be release of the ovum. Because if the follicles are formed, only then ovum will be formed, right? So during this, we are calling it a superovulation because this hormone, that is FSH, will induce this female to produce more number of ova. Okay, so it will produce multiple ova. That is why it is called as superovulation. Usually they produce only one egg, but here they will produce multiple eggs. And after this, artificial insemination is performed. Artificial insemination. Insemination where artificially the semen will be introduced in this female and further there will be embryo development and that embryo will be transferred into a surrogate mother or surrogate baby. Okay, so this is the organism which is in which ova and embryo formation occurs is in the genetic mother, and further that embryo will be transferred into surrogate female. Okay, and now this female, that is the genetic mother, will be ready for the second round of ovulation. Okay. So what is the question says? Question says MOET includes administration of dash hormones to the cow. So which hormone? That is the FSH, that is follicle stimulating hormone. So option A says progesterone. No, progesterone will actually, it will not allow the formation of ovum. So hence it is ruled out. Option B says FSH. Yes, that is the correct answer based on a description. Option D says growth hormone. The growth hormone is not used for multiple ovulation and embryo transfer. It is ruled out. Option D says thyroid hormone. Thyroid hormone is nothing to play a role here. So hence option, which is the correct option? Option B is the correct answer. So what is the correct option? Option B. So I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you, everyone.